I really had a lot of fun bringing streamers together, making them get to meet each other.
Play board games
And-
more.
Yeah.
On
Yeah.
board games.
I went to his board game, I won. And you guys have
Dirty.
to I carry you guys. I carry you guys.
We want
okay?
together, you want together.
Yeah, I
made a
can
deal.
let you lose, but I let you win.
Yeah,
okay?
thank you.
Remember that.
Yeah, remember.
Just by
Activities.
us streaming also help people sometimes.
Yeah.
Because people are very stressed out from work.
Yeah.
They come back to come back home. They're feeling very tired.
Yep.
And if personally you are gonna play some games, it's very physically taxing and mentally taxing as well.
To some people, they don't
some
want
people,
to commit to that.
Yeah. So they watch you watch your favorite streamer play games sometimes, and plus we are supposed to give content as well.
Yes.
So you are getting you are watching the game. Technically, you're playing it, and then you're also getting additional input from the streamer. So like we brighten people's day up lah.
Yeah.
There's a few times lah. Okay, it's not really worry, but things will happen sometimes. I've experienced having a long-time viewer coming to me into the DM, like telling you about their personal problems, and some of them are not mentally healthy, right? And
It can be dangerous.
this kind of things is not just dangerous for them, it's also dangerous for us as well.
Yeah.
Because it's like you're looking at time bomb. You sometimes we streamers are not mentally too good as well.
Yeah, exactly. We're
When we have
human
to
as
work.
well. We're
We are
people as
humans.
well.
Yeah,
you know?
we're human. So as much as we want to be an entertainer, there are times where we are low as well.
Yes, exactly.
And sometimes these things just happen when you're at the lowest, and it doesn't make anything easier for us.
It really
right?
doesn't.
Even though I'm still streaming, I'm still happy, putting a mask on lah, but I'm just trying.
It's
lah.
like the smile that every streamer has. It's like,
Yes,
hey, what's up? It's like
correct.
before the streamer, you're like, oh my god.
As a streamer, what I worry most is probably getting too personal and saying the wrong things, saying things that I shouldn't be saying.
I see.
Because sometimes being a streamer, when you're too tired, your brain just auto runs.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. That's for sure.
Yeah, because
yeah.
usually we stream after work, right? So
Yeah.
we also have to earn money to sustain our stream, because we are not like streamers can sustain based on streaming
Yeah.
itself. So like we are doing double job, and we have to sometimes deal with this kind of issue as well. So there are times where we might slip out of say something that we shouldn't be saying, or
Yeah, on a bad
unintentionally
day,
lah.
Yeah, on
so-
a bad day. As much as you don't want to show the more quote unquote human side of you, where nobody's perfect in this world. Right? Everybody has their own flaws and and their polishes and whatnot.
True.
And these moments are very, very scary, definitely. And especially when when you've had a bad day, or when you've had something very bad happen to you as well.
Yeah.
And when you're not in the right state of mind, and somebody comes in to interact with you, expecting you to be like whoever you are normally, and then when you show like that more human side, people like start to see the little cracks, and you're like,
Yeah.
oh no, that's not who I'm looking for. And you're like, there's a little bit of that insecurity that that person will leave because like I'm not energetic today. So you try to put it on for days and days, and eventually it'll
Burn
reach
out.
a point that you burn out, right?
Yes.
And on top of that, you have interactions with viewers like yours, like mine as well. And also there are times where people are like suicidal and they come to you and you're like, if I don't do something like,
Yeah.
I don't want this to be on my hands, I
Yes.
don't want to be like, because I didn't talk to them, like they do something very, very
Yeah,
bad.
it feels bad. Like
so scary.
Like every step that you take could be
It's a minefield, right?
It's a minefield, right? So you have to think before you say. But even then, you're worried because you won't understand, especially when these people are from other countries.
Yeah, exactly.
They don't think the way we think
do.
in a
Yeah,
way, right?
exactly.
So like you have to be really careful, and ultimately we don't know how they feel with their own
Exactly.
problems.
Like whatever they do IRL, we don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
If you have decided to brand yourself, like for him, is basically the saltiest, spiciest savior, So it has to be salty, even though he's feeling happy or
Yeah,
anything.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
sometimes I go to his stream, I also gonna.
Everyone has to gonna. It's only fair,
so,
right?
Yeah, it's only
gonna-
fair. So like
yeah,
it's his branding, So but. Sometimes you're tired, you still have to put up that face. For me, it's like I'm more towards the very happy talk shit person.
Yeah. because people come in with an expectation,
Yeah,
right? They'll
so
be
we
like,
have to give them the
they're like,
expectation.
Chi, nice. For example, let's say maybe he forgot to do something. He's like, oh, nice memory, Chi Kappa, and you're like,
Oh
what am
my
I
God.
doing? Like, what am I doing? What am I not doing? And they don't tell you, and they're like
Yeah.
purposely egging you on.
Exactly.
Like, what am I not
Aiyo.
doing? My wife is very, very supportive, honestly. Right? I think she is a very, very understanding wife. Very, very understanding life.
You always
partner.
say hi to her in stream as
Yeah,
well.
always say hi to her. Anyways, she is very understanding in the sense where she understands that there is a process and that she understands that there's a grind. I thought she would have been a lot more like, oh, you gotta get your shit together, because we're married now, blah blah blah. But because she accepts me for who I am, very, very straightforwardly put, right? Like she's very openly accepting of who I am and what kind of person I am. That she understands that I'm obviously very passionate about this. Again, understanding is something that I want to put out there. I'm just very understanding. Like they bother to know, okay, when you're frustrated, why are you frustrated? And they could be like, oh, do you have a bad night? Like what is it because you're playing games and did you guys argue or whatever? From time to time conversations that come up. And obviously I will go and tell as well because I believe communication is key, right? Two-way
Yes.
communication is very, very important.
Correct. For me, I kind of feel like it's there's no wrong way of streaming, honestly, right? Because any kind of stream will have their own dedicated audience.
Yeah,
Right.
they're unique in every single way.
Yeah, it's like you said, streamers who don't talk much, who just genuinely like playing game and genuinely streaming. They don't communicate much with their viewers. They can stream, but
Don't expect success,
don't
honestly.
expect. Not say don't expect success. Some of them can success as well.
Yeah.
Like people watch stream not because they want to watch gameplay. Sometimes they want to interact with the stream.
Yep.
So yeah, streaming. Honestly, there's no wrong way to doing it.
Yep.
All right. The only wrong way is basically going against the terms
Yeah.
of service line.
I would say yeah. Honestly, there is every community, every streamer has their own community, as you said, and every community is unique. There are instances where people who don't talk very, very much or aren't very interesting in particular can succeed.
Yes.
But again, they would have to be the best at what they do, essentially. Again, there will definitely be that audience, as Chi said, that will cater towards you, but you need to be very, very specific and you need to adhere to that if you truly want to succeed. Everybody's success is relative, of course, right? Some people could be like, oh, I want double digits, I want triple digits, then I consider success. But I consider success as having something to work forward towards every time. So, how do we create a goal every time so that we can prevent burnout as well?
One of my ultimate goals maybe is to have a streamer house.
Oh, that's cool,
I
dude.
think that is one. I mean, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it anytime soon, but it's like a dream lah. It's like a dream to actually have like a streamer house.
Like with people you're comfortable with, is it?
yeah,
basically?
obviously.
Alright, so it's like Cheese Gaming House or whatever,
Yeah.
and they have like certain streamers.
Every
in
room
it.
have their own streamer,
that's
lah,
so cool, bro.
right? So
That sounds
that's
fun.
basically, of course, that will require a lot of commitment.
Yeah.
First of all, I have to handle myself, right? I also have to make sure all these streamers that are gonna come to me, they are able to sustain whatever we want to do as well.
Yes, cool.
Yeah.
Like create X amount of content together.
Correct.
Or like,
Yeah.
do some IRL
And-
stuff. Joe Rajin Sheila, okay.
Can,
you got my
no
number,
problem.
bro.
I
You
got-
got-
You pay rent, okay?
Steady. I pay rent.